Shopping for a new TV can feel so overwhelming these days. If it seems like too much, you should start by sticking to a reputable brand like Samsung. You can't really go wrong with Samsung, and if you dive deep into the catalog, you will find exceptional products and high-tech solutions like quantum dot and object tracking. We did the heavy lifting to bring you the best Samsung TVs that secure the absolute best value for your hard-earned dollar. Before we proceed, make sure to follow our links because they'll take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's get going now. Number 5. Samsung S85F. Fantastic value. Now, if we were to focus on maximum value, Samsung S85F is our top pick for anyone seeking a high-quality TV without having to spend too much. The 4K OLED display here offers standout visuals. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth clarity during busy sports scenes or fast-moving gameplay. Competing entry-level models usually cut corners here, but the S85F sticks to the essentials that elevate everyday entertainment. Samsung's NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor gives the TV an edge by enhancing non-4K content to look nearly native. Streaming older shows on platforms like YouTube or Netflix becomes a visually richer experience compared to the basic upscaling seen in most other sets. HDR brightness optimization fine-tunes blacks and whites for each scene, preserving details in dim settings without washing them out during brighter moments. Gamers will find the S85F a capable partner. FreeSync Premium virtually eliminates screen tearing during intense games, while Motion Accelerator 120 keeps fast movements fluid and precise. Consoles running higher frame rates pair perfectly with this TV, showcasing features competitive with models priced much higher. Its sound system opts for simplicity but punches above its weight. The 20-watt audio setup, paired with Dolby Atmos and object tracking sound light, delivers layered sound that feels more immersive. Voices stay clear even during loud action scenes thanks to the addition of the Active Voice Amplifier Pro. Practicality shines with 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, ready for streaming devices, gaming consoles, or Blu-ray players. The adjustable stand suits various spaces, while the streamlined Tizen OS keeps navigation hassle-free. Then there are these cool little features like Pantone certification that guarantees accurate colors. This is just a super addition handy for movie buffs, but not something we expect in good value deals. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Number 4. Samsung QN90F Neo QLED 4K, best for gamers. All you gaming buffs need to listen up right now because the Samsung QN90F Neo QLED 4K is where it's at. We're looking at a very sharp focus on fast response and immersive visuals. This thing transforms gaming into an experience that feels seamless and lifelike. One key highlight is the refresh rate paired with variable refresh rate support. This combination flat-out eliminates stutter. It keeps the gameplay smooth during high-action scenes when other models can often cap at lower refresh rates. Input lag on this model is practically non-existent, meaning controls feel instant and precise. For anyone playing high-octane titles or online multiplayer games, this feature can make the difference between winning and losing. The real star, however, is Game Motion Plus, which reduces blur without having to compromise picture quality. Fast-paced sports games or shooters look clear throughout, so you get a more engaging experience compared to the more standard TVs out there. HDR performance excels here, making in-game environments pop with incredible detail. Highlights in fantasy worlds appear illuminated, while shadowy dungeon corners retain their mystery. The panel reaches peak brightness levels that rival other premium models, but retains a steady handle on black levels, preventing dark scenes from losing their impact. Quantum matrix technology plays a role here, offering precise control over local dimming zones. Competitor sets may struggle with light blooming, but the QN90F handles this with accuracy, making visuals feel grounded and realistic. The TV also features 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, which is perfect for running multiple consoles or a mix of gaming platforms without recabling. Advanced options like ALLM, Auto Low Latency Mode, switch to optimal settings as soon as a console powers up, saving the effort of manual tweaks. For brighter rooms, the anti-reflection coating sees glare fade to nearly imperceptible levels. This allows comfortable gaming anytime without compromises. The QN90F stands out as a model that brings out the full potential of modern games on the market right now. Thumbs up is all we can say. Number 3. Samsung S90F, best mid-range model. Samsung has always delivered the goods in the mid-range domain, and the S90F keeps that tradition going. Designed to impress without overwhelming, it is available in various sizes. The QD OLED panels, found in the 55, 65, and 77-inch models, produce vibrant colors with crisp contrast. The OLED panels in other sizes serve perfectly well, so you get sharp visuals with the same 4K resolution. A peak brightness of 1300 nits makes this TV suitable even for well-lit spaces. Bright scenes remain clear no matter the content type, while darker visuals in action movies preserve intricate details. The 144Hz refresh rate and VRR support mean the picture stays steady during fast movement, whether used with video games or streaming apps. Competing mid-range models often struggle to match this fluidity. This thing is powered by the NQ4 AI Gen 3 processor. In plain terms, you get sharper quality to non-4K content. Films and shows gain an upgrade in clarity while maintaining their original charm. Also included in the mix is HDR brightness optimization to adjust the brightness intelligently scene by scene. For gamers, you will love features such as AMD FreeSync and Auto Game Mode because they provide lag-free control. The screen even handles color accuracy brilliantly with Color Booster Pro. This feature detects colors and displays them richer and more accurately than other options on the market. The audio setup is a 40-watt system enhanced by Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Light. These features allow directional audio that complements the visuals. Dialogue remains sharp thanks to Active Voice Amplifier Pro, meaning no volume adjustments while watching something in a noisy room. Nice one! Number 2. Samsung QN990F Neo QLED 8K. Exceptional image quality. The next model we would like to talk about is called QN990F Neo QLED 8K. In terms of image quality, this is some next-level stuff, guys. The mini LED display brings over 33 million pixels to life, producing outstanding clarity. Small details like the stitching on a jacket or subtle textures in landscapes pop with precision. While native 8K content is sparse, the NQ8 AI Gen 3 processor uses advanced upscaling to enhance everyday content. Older films and streamed shows look sharper, but they still maintain those realistic tones we want to see. One standout feature is the peak brightness of 4500 nits, which makes this TV perfect for both dark movie nights and daylight viewing. Paired with double the dimming zones of its predecessor, it delivers deeper blacks without the risk of halos around bright elements. Competing models often struggle in this area, but here, fine details in shadow-heavy scenes remain visible and lifelike. Colors look vivid and true to life, with AI-driven enhancements adding depth that avoids oversaturation. Whether watching scenes set against a sunset or colorful animations, the QN990F makes every hue feel intentional and refined. Glare-free panel technology removes disruptive reflections, allowing the screen to shine even in bright rooms. For gamers, the QN990F supports advanced features like variable refresh rates and 4K at 144Hz. Graphics stay crisp and free of motion blur during intense gameplay. Those gaming on next-gen consoles will appreciate the 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, ready to fully support high-performance systems. Samsung also introduces the AI Gamma feature here. It adjusts brightness levels dynamically based on room lighting. You get a really good balance here that retains detail in both high and low brightness within the same scene. The wireless One Connect box is another practical touch for clean and neat cable management. Fantastic stuff when all is said and done. Number 1. Samsung S95F OLED, best overall. And now the time has come for all you lovely people to meet the S95F OLED, the best Samsung TV and the clear winner for today. This thing pushes the boundaries of what a home TV can deliver. The OLED technology creates pure blacks and bright whites, ideal for enhancing contrast during a movie night or intense video game session. This thing just delivers uncompromised performance for any type of content. At the heart of this TV lies a 4K QD OLED panel, except for the 83-inch model, which uses a OLED panel. You get vibrant colors and jaw-dropping contrast. Even in a bright room, the OLED glare-free technology neutralizes reflections for uninterrupted viewing, a step ahead of most other high-end TVs on the current market. We should say that gamers will absolutely love the 165Hz refresh rate with VRR support. This smooth experience fits perfectly with fast-paced games with no lag, no screen tearing, none of that bad stuff. Competing models often max out at 120 Hz, making this model stand out effortlessly. HDR brightness optimization pushes the TV's peak brightness to 4000 nits. The AI-powered NQ4 Gen 3 processor deserves a mention too. This feature transforms standard content into near 4K quality. That is just especially handy for streaming older shows. When put up against the similar upscaling features in competing models, this brings a noticeable edge. Samsung's smart calibration introduces precision for those who want stunning visuals straight out of the box without hours of tweaking. Its audio system complements the visuals thanks to 70 watts of total power backed by Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Plus. This means sound follows action on the screen, creating an immersive experience. Most TVs rely on basic stereo effects. This setup takes immersion to entirely new levels. You wanted the best, you got it. That would be all for today, guys. We hope this helped. And if it did, how about liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Have a good one and keep it valid.